Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to connect PostgreSQL server using pgadmin, that is a management tool to manage our PostgreSQL database server. Now we will see independent steps how to connect. Press start button and here you type simply pgadmin. See, here is an app is displaying here while filtering. Here you can choose simply pgadmin4. That is the version latest we have just now we have installed. You can observe in our previous sessions also how to install PostgreSQL. That version it will be notify you. And here, as simple as much to connect our server, it's asking please add a master password for pgadmin. This will be used to secure and later unlock saved passwords for other credentials. This is in a password, it's not for PostgreSQL server. This is the password for only for to using this management tool of pgadmin4 to enable and to prevent the unauthorized access to this pgadmin4 tool only. Strongly remember, you have to specify a password here. I'm simply putting it's in a for training purpose. It's a simply Postgres only. Click OK. The first time you need to set the password, and later time it will ask you the password to enter what you have set in the initial stage. Now you will see this is the area of the management tool. See, it's showing here pgadmin management tool for PostgreSQL. Okay, now there is a quick launch options over here. There is an add new server. As a fresh installation, there is a nothing, no database server is connected to pgadmin management tool. And now add a new server and configuration admin. PostgreSQL documentation is available here, and the website and the panel, the community of support if any requirements. Now see the other options we can also see. This is in a dashboard, what we can call it as. And Postgres as well as pgadmin is completely open source softwares where you can use it and use as an freely. And the pgadmin why we are going to be introducing with this tutorial and going to be it's a very easy to access PostgreSQL database servers and a graphical administration interfaces which are available like a SQL query tool, procedural code and debugging and running of the queries and as well as DBS like a database administrator can take an appropriate steps and developers can run their small chunks of the code of scripts like queries we can call it as that queries they can run it and test themselves here and later time they can embed with that code of a query and run easy way in SQL manner. Now we will see here and for properties over here there is an object based properties will be there and SQL similarly this is an SQL where we can run the SQL queries over here. The statistics based on the database object in left panel it will be open and all. We will see one by one to now at present we need to connect our database server of PostgreSQL in our local. Now see here it's in a PostgreSQL 12 which is installed in our system and it's showing here that particular version of PostgreSQL and if I hit there it's asking to enter like that password we have installation time we have set in a password to entering that particular password of the database password then only it will allow you to display all what are the objects are available like tables, views, procedures and what we have prepared in that inside of the database server that server particular objects will be displayed over here. Now I am hitting the password what we have created while installation. So the password is postgre Postgres. Click OK. Now it is going to be connecting. Wow, it's very simple. In right side panel, you can see here it's just displayed in the hidden things. It's a PostgreSQL server of our local mission database server. What we have installed is connected. On dashboard, it will show you the sessions, transaction per second, how it's going, tuples and tuple out and back IO procedures, and these are the dashboards activities will be displayed here. A basic dashboard displays. All right. Now see here, I have discussed with you that the database server will have many databases. Now see here, it's showing on first option. If I am expanding with this arrow, you know, their databases it's showing. Simply two databases are showing. One is the Postgres. By default, it will comes, and one CLI I have used to create an it's in a test. All right. This is the two databases only. It's there. And later sections we will see what are there, and in basically in test database, if I expand it, these are the objects are available within the database. Okay, and now here there is a schemas. If you expand the schemas, there is a public domains, FTS functions. Now see here, these are the tables. These are the tables. It's in a fresh database, nothing is here. Tables and trigger functions, views. All we will know about these all in this complete PostgreSQL course. All right, and we will see here to disconnecting. This is the in a very simple. On right click here, disconnect the server to prevent unauthorized access to your local database server or production database server, whichever. You always try to make it as an if you are not using to the database server, you try to disconnect the server. Whenever you want to ask you to connect, you hit the password and try to enter into the database server, right? On next session we will see at the scratch starting what is SQL and how to initiate the queries and creation of the databases, and all one by one we will see with the title wise. We'll go with the construction of the course. For the very much pretty beginners, they can initiate it, how it will be used in real-time projects, how to create a database project. We will see all the steps in continuation. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.